I'm Paris von Lockett, Associate Professor of Mechanical Engineering at Penn State's College of Engineering. Mechanical engineering applies innovative thinking to develop solutions to both common and rare problems, resulting in the devices and systems we use every day. Mechanical engineering students learn to design, to analyze, to experiment, to build, and to innovate better systems as they build their knowledge of thermal and mechanical systems. Because it is such a broad discipline, mechanical engineers work in a variety of fields and industries, including energy, medicine, transportation, 3D printing, robotics and automation, and aerospace. Penn State mechanical engineering alumni design and build smart devices, robots, aircraft with new shapes, turbines that produce electricity and propel planes, and batteries for the next generation of electric cars and electronics. They work at startup companies, patent offices, federal agencies, consulting firms, and they lead large companies in the oil and gas industry. Many go on to graduate school, after which they work in academia or at research laboratories. Penn State's Department of Mechanical Engineering is shaping our world in a variety of ways, including through the development of better batteries, more efficient energy systems, smarter computer tools, and advanced robotics. If you go to the Bureau of Labor Statistics for the U.S. government, you can find that MEs have the best job placement rates. MEs, their graduation rates and their employment rates follow the GDP, and so MEs are never without a job. They're never without a job because planes, trains, automobiles, anything you name, MEs are there. And MEs are there because MEs get trained in how all these systems work.
When it came to picking mechanical engineering versus one of the other disciplines, I really liked something that was hands-on and something that was more general. So I like to be able to watch something happen. When we talk about dynamics or we talk about statics, you literally can push the chair over and calculate what happens. So I wanted something that I could literally see how it was going to work.
You do get to learn about classes like electrical engineering, industrial engineering, while still having the mechanical engineering background.
I've been able to take chemical engineering classes, material science, industrial, electrical.
There's definitely research opportunities for undergrads. There's even research opportunities for first-year students. If you look for the opportunity, it's there. Professors are also doing research, so build the relationship with faculty, and you may find yourself in the research lab as well.
I went into mechanical engineering because I really wasn't sure what I wanted my career to look like. It's going to give you a really good foundation in the maths and sciences and will let you move in many different directions after you graduate.
A lot of my friends in mechanical engineering actually went into consulting or even went into banking. I'm in manufacturing, which is kind of a different sect of engineering, while some people go into design and test.
Myself, I was a mechanical engineering degree and I went into the oil and gas field. I worked with a bunch of petroleum geologists and was able to work with them side by side and learn. The basic building blocks of a mechanical engineering degree really allow you to do anything that you want during your career.
If I could give students one piece of advice for deciding on their major, I would say to talk to as many people as you can and try to find as many resources as you can to gather information and make an informed decision. I would encourage you to talk to practicing engineers that you might know or engineering students or faculty. And if you can gather up all of that information and compare those long-term career goals of yours with your interests and skill set, I think that you'll be in a good position to make a decision that's best for you.
MEs change everything. You could make an argument that the first cave person who came up with a wheel was an ME. Why? Because MEs develop systems for transportation that move stuff around. Scientists, physical scientists, physicists, chemists, they come up with the knowledge, they come up with these new things, but MEs are the people who turn them into the innovations that you use every day.